Okay, we're going to look at the next question. I think it's question 4 of the 2020 supplementary exam. It's an analytical geometry question with circles in it. Let's just get a little bit of familiar with the question. Well, basically, the question tells you, they give you the equation of a circle centered at S, this one here. They say that the equation is x plus 8 squared plus y squared. That's for S. Now they say there's a bigger circle centered at M, and S and E and M and R are all collinear. FE is a tangent at the point E for both circles. There's the origin. And they say that P, they say the circle centered at M having ER as the diameter touches the x-axis at P. So that means the x-axis is another tangent. It touches at that one point. And there's the radius right above it. Ooh, that's pretty useful. We're going to use that a little bit later on. Okay, let's get to it. Here's the first question. Find the coordinates of S. Well, you just look at your formula sheet, and if you understand it, x minus a squared plus y minus b squared, the opposite of this number, and 0 are the coordinates of the center. And S is the center of the circle. So it must be minus 8 and 0. Sorry, it must be minus 8 and 0. And you just have to be able to read the coordinates of a circle. That's all. The formula says x minus a squared, y minus b. A and b are the center. There it is, minus 8 and 0. Show that the diameter is 4 of the circle centered at S. Well, the formula also tells us, it says x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared. Well, that's the radius squared. That means that the radius must be 2. SE must be 2. And if the radius is 2, then the diameter must be 4. So you just take the square root of r squared, you get the radius, and two radiuses make a diameter. So there's that question done. The length EM. But they give you something here. They say that SR is 8 units, and they want us to find EM. Okay, well, if we've got SR being 8 units, and we know that SE, the radius we just figured out, is 2, we can get the diameter of this circle. If we go SR and we take away SE, we're going to get the diameter, which is 6 units. But the question is, find the length EM, which is the radius here. Well, if that whole distance 6, then the radius must be half of it. EM must be 3 units. And there we are, the first 3 questions all done.